The pilots of Flight 817 are fighting a burning plane, and they don't know how the fire started. The date is February 3rd, 1989. Liva Air Flight 817s. Passengers boarded via the jet bridge at Gate 12. Ground crews finished loading luggage and supplies, while flight attendants moved through the cabin, checking safety equipment and welcoming passengers. Outside, the sun shone on the tarmac, and everything seemed ordinary. Just another day in Liva Air's busy schedule. After a brief stop at the runway, Flight 817 was cleared for departure. The engines roared to life as the aircraft lined up on the tarmac, ready to begin its journey across the Atlantic. The pilots ran through final checks as the sun reflected off the wings. Moments later, the L-1011 rolled onto the runway, gathering speed for takeoff.
All right, gear up, flaps up. Okay, gear up, flaps up. Engine stable, fuel flow normal, cabin pressurization nominal. Smooth climb so far. Good visibility.
Flight 817 climbed steadily through the lower flight levels, the pilots monitoring instruments as the aircraft made its way toward cruising altitude. Outside, the sun glinted off the wings, and the world below grew smaller with every passing minute. Inside the cockpit, everything appeared normal. The hum of engines, the flicker of instruments, and the quiet focus of the crew.
Speed's holding steady. Let's keep an eye on our rate of climb. Rate looks good. Altitude increasing smoothly.
Flight 817 climbed steadily through the lower flight levels, the pilots monitoring instruments as the aircraft made its way toward cruising altitude.
Liva Air 817, radar contact. Climb and maintain 10,000 feet. Turn right heading 0 for 5.
Climb and maintain 10,000 feet. Heading 0 for 5. Liva Air 817. Heading 0 for 5, climbing to 10,000. Engine stable. Cabin pressurization nominal.
With systems operating normally, Flight 817 continued its steady ascent. Outside the cockpit, the world below shrank as the aircraft climbed higher into the afternoon sky.
Autopilot holding perfectly. Smooth ride today. Yes, visibility's great. Can barely see the coast below. Barely. System still normal. Cabin temperature steady.
For a few moments, everything aboard Flight 817 seemed routine. The autopilot, maintaining a steady course across the afternoon sky. But then, the pilots then smell smoke.
Wow, what the hell is that? Can you smell it? Yay. Yeah, I can. Captain, we have smoke in the rear cargo compartment. Temperature rising rapidly. Check fire detection system. Are the cargo fire suppression systems working? Confirming. No response. Reading still climbing.
A warning light flickered on the panel. The crew's casual conversation moments ago was now replaced with focused urgency. A small problem had just turned into a life-threatening emergency.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday Liva Air 817. In-flight fire. Requesting immediate return to nearest airport.
Liva Air 817, roger. Turn left heading to 170. Descend to 8,000 feet. Vectors to nearest runway.
The CVR cuts out from the fire. The pilots are now fighting a force they can't control. The plane then enters a sharp left bank. Most onboard pass out from the G-force. The plane is now a lost cause. Flight 817 hit the water at over 400 miles per hour, killing everyone aboard instantly. It was the first L-1011 in Liva Air's fleet. This crash caused Liva Air to go bankrupt 1 year later. Rescue teams, are sent out to search for the wreckage. They find it, but it's clear, none of the passengers or crew have survived the deadly crash. The plane is obliterated. The investigation finds that Flight 817 was destroyed by an in-flight fire, killing all aboard. The cockpit voice recorder cut out as flames spread, silencing the crew's final moments. Liva Air's first L-1011, once a symbol of hope, became a tragic loss. The airline struggled to recover and declared bankruptcy a year later. Flight 817 remains a sobering reminder of the deadly power of fire and the fragility of life and ambition.